everybody. This is Mark Flurker, your Baked in Science podcast host at EBA 2023. And this is the end of day one. I'll get some more people to talk to for day two. Here we are looking at a booth where one of the things they're celebrating here and looking into and talking about is pre-proofed frozen bake-off baked goods. So no proofing required. You just buy them frozen and bake it off. One of the most interesting things I saw besides this today is miniature egg cracking machines. So if you're a fresh cracked egg bakery and you don't really want to move to the pails or frozen or things like that, that's a huge, awesome solution. They can crack up to 2,300 eggs per hour. Amazing stuff. And so many things. I've only made it through the equipment areas and really not all of it. This show is huge, right? EBA has typically about 1,300 plus exhibitors, and they are expecting over 77,000 visitors over the next 5 days. Keep those numbers in mind. They may be worth something. We'll see you all on the next day. Signing off now for today from EBA 2023 in Munich. I'm Mark Flurker, your Baked in Science podcast host.